Welcome to WebStar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to save a range of pages from a PDF file. Result will be a PDF file containing desired pages. To start, drag and drop a PDF file in Chrome web browser. It has got 5 pages. Let's save a PDF file containing pages from 2 to 4. To do that, click print icon, or from keyboard press Ctrl+P. In front of destination, make sure Microsoft Print to PDF is selected. For pages, select custom. And here we will specify the range 2-4, means 2 to 4. Pages 2, 3 and 4. Then click print button. Name the file, click save button. And here is the file. From pages 2 to 4. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.